Hello friends, myself Dr. Sudha Tripathi. Welcome to my channel Indian Homeo. Our today's topic is how fear or stress affects our immune system. As we all know that prevention is better than cure, it is always advisable to enhance body's natural defense system, that is immunity. Immune system of our body plays very important role in maintaining optimum health. Before we proceed to understand how stress or fear affects our immune system, let's understand what is immunity. So, immunity is the balanced state of our body, having adequate biological defense to fight against infections, diseases, or any other unwanted biological invasions. So basically, it is the balanced state where there is ability to recognize and tolerate whatever belongs to self and to reject what is foreign. Normally, we don't make any conscious efforts in breathing, digesting our food, or make our heart beat. All these functions are taken care by our nervous system, that is autonomic nervous system. Now, this is the balanced state where all the body systems works harmoniously. So this is what is the immune system. Now, to know how stress or fear affects this immune system, let us understand what exactly the stress is. So stress is body's natural defense mechanism to protect from any kind of threat or fear. There are two scenarios when we sense threat or fear. First is the real threat or fear, and the second is the imagined threat or fear. Hereby, real danger means there is actual life and death scenario, such as being chased by a wild animal. In this scenario, to face the fear, the real fear, the fight or flight mechanism of the body is activated, which is a good thing. When there is a danger, body needs more energy either to fight from the danger or to flee away from the danger. Hence, this mechanism of body is activated. So, to protect from the real danger or something very terrifying and to provide more energy, body activates the fight and flight response. In this mechanism, there is release of hormone which suppresses the immune system and thus increases the blood pressure and blood sugar. The hormone adrenaline is released and helps body to react more quickly for the danger by making the heart beat faster, increases the blood flow to the brain and muscles, and stimulates the liver to release more glucose for muscle fuel. After the threat or the fear is gone, it takes between 20 to 60 minutes for the body to return to the pre-arousal levels. Now, why this fight or flight mechanism is so important? It is important because it plays a critical role in how we deal with stress and danger in our environment. By preparing our body for immediate actions, we are prepared to perform under the pressure, such as pressure to perform better in exams or at the work. Coming to the imagined danger, our nervous system is not very good at distinguishing between the emotional and the physical stress. If we are super stressed over an argument with a friend, a work deadline, or a mountains of bills, or a huge amount of bills we have, our body reacts as strongly as we are facing a true life or death situation. And the emergency stress response system, that is the fight or flight response, is activated. So, if we tend to get stressed frequently, where there is no actual life and death scenario, the more emergency stress system, that is the fight and flight system, is activated. In this system, energy which is used for growth, maintenance, and normal functioning of our body is redirected to protect us from the threat, and thus there is suppression of the immune system, which in turn upsets the digestive system, reproductive system, increases the risk of heart attacks, and speed up the aging process. More stressed the person is, the body starts to lose the power of its control. So if we are not able to take care of our pressure or stress, our immune system is suppressed. So once our immune system is suppressed, we are more prone to get any infection. How to come out of it? There are many ways to reverse what adrenaline does to the body. The most powerful weapons are exercise, meditation, homeopathy medicines, and other natural therapies. So don't feel defeated by the pressures of daily life. Get in control of your thoughts before they take control of you. Whenever you feel low, see a physician or a homeopathic practitioner to come out of your stress or the fear. In our next video, I'll discuss the role of homeopathy medicines in stress or fear with few medicines related to stress.